Hello students of class 9 General Mathematics. This is your chapter 4 linear equation in two variables. So now linear equation. Let us first recall what you have studied so far. Consider the following equation: 2x plus 5 is equals to 0. Its solution, that is the root of the equation, is minus 5 by 2. This can be represented on the number line as shown below. While solving an equation, you must always keep the following points in mind. The solution of a linear equation is not affected when the same number is added to or subtracted from both sides of the equation. You multiply or divide both sides of the equation by the same non-zero number. These things we have already learned. Yes, till now in our lower classes you have learned linear equation in one variable. Yes, linear equation in one variable. For example, like equation like 2x plus 5 is equals to 0. Yes, linear equation in one variable. X plus 2 is equals to 5. Yes, 3y is equals to 4. Yes, and then 2x is equals to 0. 2x plus 3 is equals to 10. So these type of equations, they are called linear equation in one variable, because in this type of equations there is only one variable x, and it is called linear equation because the highest power of the variable is 1. All you see, only one variable there, and the highest power of the variable is 1. Understand? So these type of equations are linear equations in one variable, and we have already learned in our lower classes to solve linear equations in one variable. We have learned about, first of all, systematic method, and the another one we have learned about transpose method. We have systematic and transpose method we have learned. So you see, if I want to solve this equation x plus 2 is equals to 5 by systematic method, what I will do, x plus 2 minus 2 is equals to 5 minus 2. Both sides I will subtract by 2. Yes, so this is equals to, I will get x is equals to 3. Okay, this 3, it is called the root of the equations. Yes, it is called the root of the equation x plus 2 is equals to 5. So this thing we have already learned. And if I want to solve this equation by transpose method, what we will do, 2 I will send that side, plus there, it will go that side, then it will minus, so x is equals to 3. This is systematic method, this is transposition method. These things we have already learned in lower classes. So that only they are saying the solution of a linear equation is not affected when the same number is added to or subtracted from both the sides of the equation. You multiply or divide both the sides of the equation by the same non-zero number. Yes, so in our lower classes, as I have said, in our lower classes we have already learned about linear equation in one variable. Now in this chapter we will learn linear equation in two variables. Understand? Linear equation in two variables. For example, like you see, let us consider the following situation. In a one-day international cricket match between India and Sri Lanka played in Nagpur, two Indian batsmen together scored 176 runs. Express this information in form of an equation. So here you can see that the score of neither of them is known. That is, there are both unknown quantities. Yes, two batsmen are there. Their together score is 176 runs. But I don't know how much the first batsman or the second batsman, how much they scored. That one I don't know. Understand? Score. You can see that score of neither of them is known. That is, there are two unknown quantities. Let us use x and y to denote them. Understand? Let us take the first batsman scored x runs and the second batsman scored y runs. So the number of runs scored by one of the batsmen, that is x, and the number of runs scored by the other, that is y. Now we know that x plus y is equals to 176. There together how much run they made? They made 176. So x plus y is equals to 176, which is the required equation. Now this is a linear equation in two variables. This type of equations are linear equation in two variables. In here two variables are there, x and y. Understand, two unknown quantities are there, x and y, and the highest power of the variable is 1. Understand? So there is an example of linear equation in two variables. It is customary to denote the variables in such equations of x and y, but other letters may also be used. We know it is a variable, x and y, it is a variable. I can use other letters also. Some example of linear equation in two variables are 1.2s plus 3t is equals to 5, p plus 4q is equal to 7, pi u plus 5v is equals to 9, 3 is equals to root 2x minus 7y. These are all examples of linear equation in two variables. Note that you can put this equation in the form of this 1.2s plus 3t minus 5 is equals to 0. This one p plus 4q minus 7 is equals to 0. This p plus 4q 7, if you bring to left hand side, what you will get? P plus 4q minus 7 is equal to 0, you will get. Then again pi u plus 5v minus 9 is equal to 0. Root 2x minus 7y minus 3 is equal to 0 respectively. So any equation which can be put in the form of this is the form. You see ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. This is the general form of a linear equation in two variables. Ax plus by plus c is equals to 0, where a, b, c are real numbers. A and b are not both 0 is called a linear equation in two variables. Understand? So this means that you can think of many such solutions. So this is example 1. You see, write each of the following equation in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 and indicate the values of a, b and c in each cases. So this one you see, first of all I will have to write this equation. I will show you example 1. You see, example 1. So first it is 2x plus 3y is equals to 4.37. So this one, first of all, I will have to write this equation in the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So therefore 4.37, 2x plus 3y minus 4.37 is equals to 0. So this one we can write in this way, 2x plus 3y plus bracket minus 4.37 is equal to 0. So you see this is, it came in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. You see, if you match them, you see this equation, I brought it in the form of ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. So therefore, here a is equals to, a will be what? This is, a will be 2. Understand? A is equals to 2, b is equals to 3, and c is equals to minus 4.37. This is our answer. Understand? So rest of the problems, you see this is x minus 4 is equals to root 3y. Root 3y you bring it this side, you will get x minus root 3y. I will show you here. X minus 4 is equals to root 3y there. So x minus 4 minus root 3y is equals to 0. So this one you can write x minus root 3y minus 4 is equals to 0. So this is here. Here a is equals to, a is what? This is ax. A is what? 1. A1. B is equals to plus bx. Understand? This is minus root 3 there, but it is actual form, it is plus bx. So b will be what? B will be negative root 3 and c will be plus c and c will be minus 4. Understand? Next again, 3 and 4 you try to do by yourself. You see this is number 4. Number 4 you see it is given in this way. Number 4, 2x is equals to y given. So no problem there. You bring y this side, 2x minus y is equals to 0. Here you see here a is equals to 2. Understand? A is equals to 2. B is equals to minus 1. And C is C not there. C is equals to 0. Okay. So when we will do the exercises, you will come to know. Again, you see example 2, you see, write each of the following as an equation in two variables. Write each of the following example 2, write each of the following as an equation in two variables. So first it is x is equals to -5, it is given. Okay, equation in two variables. Okay, so this one, x is equals to -5 given, so this I will have to write as an equation in two variables. Okay, equation in two variables. Okay, so no problem there. This is, you see, this one, x is equals to -5. This one I can write as x plus 0 dot y is equals to -5. So x plus 0 dot y plus 5 is equals to 0. This is a linear equation in two variables. Understand? Next, again, you see y is equals to 2 given. So this one I can write it as 0 dot x plus y is equals to 2. So 0 dot x plus y minus 2 is equals to 0. This is a linear equation in two variables. This is 0 dot, means it is it is in, this is 0 into x. Understand? 0 dot x means this is 0 into x. Okay, next again it is there 2x is equals to 3 there. Yes, number 3, 2x is equals to 3 there. So 2x is equals to 3. This is, you can write as 2x plus 0 dot y minus 3 is equals to 0. Understand? So next, rest of the problems you try. Next it is there 5y is equals to 2 there. You try to do by yourself. Okay, next we will go to exercise 4.1. Exercise 4.1. So first one, you read the question carefully. The cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. Write a linear equation in two variables to represent this statement. The cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. Write a linear equation in two variables to represent this statement, and take the cost of a notebook to be rupees x and that of a pen be rupees y. Okay, so this is exercise our 4.1. You see, question number 1. Take the cost of a notebook be rupees x. So therefore I will take, this is solution. Question number 1, solution. I will take let the cost of a notebook, be rupees x. Again, let the cost of a pen be rupees y. Yes, this is already is given. Let the cost of a notebook be rupees x and let the cost of a pen be rupees y. Now by question, it is what saying the cost of a notebook is twice. Okay, I'm writing the statement here. The cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. Yes, the cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. Cost of a notebook is how much? Rupees x. And the cost of a pen, y. So therefore, what I can say? X is equals to 2y. Understand? X is equals to 2y. This one you bring this side. X minus 2y is equals to 0. This is our equation. Understand? Next, question number 2. Question number 2, you say, express the following linear equation in the form ax plus by plus c is equals to 0 and indicate the values of a, b and c in each cases. So express, you see, this is our equation given. 2x plus 3y is equals to 9.35 bar. Okay, I have to express this equation in the form of ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. I have to express this equation in this form. Understand? And then I have to indicate what a value, b value and c value I will have to indicate here. Understand? Okay, so no problem. First of all, I will write the equation. 2x plus 3y is equals to 9.35 bar. This one I will bring this side. 2x plus 3y minus 9.35 bar is equals to 0. So this is, I brought it in the form of ax plus by plus c is equals to 0 form. So here you can write here a is equals to, a is what? A is equal to ax plus by plus c is equals to 0 there. So therefore here a will be what? A will be 2, b will be 3, and c will be minus 9.35 bar. This is our answer. Understand? Next again, question number 2. Question number 2 here. So question number 2, it is saying that x minus y by 5 minus 10 is equals to 0. Yes, x minus y by 5 minus 10 is equals to 0. So x minus y by 5 minus 10 is equals to 0. If you want to write this equation in the form of ax plus by plus c is equals to 0, you can do one thing. You see, you can write it in this way: x plus bracket minus 1 by 5 y plus bracket minus 10 is equals to 0. So here a is equal to ax. A is what? A is 1 here. A is equals to 1, b is equals to minus 1 by 5, and c is equals to minus 10. This is the answer. Okay, next again you see question number 3. Question number 3, minus 2x plus 3y is equals to 6. Okay, so in here our solution, this one, minus 2x plus 3y minus 6 is equals to 0. Okay, so this is in the form of ax plus by plus c is equals to 0 form there. So therefore you can write here a is equals to minus 2, b is equals to 3, and c is equals to minus 6. This is our answer. Okay, next again it is your see, next again it number 4, it is given x is equals to 3y. Understand? X is equals to 3y. So this is solution, x minus 3y is equals to 0. So here a is equals to 1, b is equals to minus 3, and c is equals to 0 there. Understand? Ax plus by plus c there, c is not there, so c is equals to 0 here. Number 5 again it is saying that 2x is equals to minus 5y. So this one you can write in this way: 2x plus 5y is equals to 0. So here a is equals to 2, b is equals to 5, c is equals to 0. Next again, question number 6, it is given 3x plus 2 is equals to 0. So this is solution. This equation you can write it in this: 3x plus 0 dot y plus 2 is equals to 0. Understand? If you want to, you can write. So here a is equals to 3, b is equals to 0, c is equals to 2. Okay, next it is your given number 7, given y minus 2 is equals to 0. So solution, this one you can write it in the form of 0 dot x plus y minus 2 is equals to 0. So here a is equals to 0, b is equals to 1, c is equals to minus 2. Understand? And the last it is there, your number 8, last it is there, 5 is equals to 2x there. So solution, I can do, this is 5 minus 2x is equals to 0. This same equation you can write minus 2x plus 5 is equals to 0, or you can write it in this way: 2x plus 0 dot y plus 5 is equals to 0. So here a is equals to minus 2, b is equals to 0, c is equals to 5. This is your answer. So next, solution of a linear equation. This one we will start in the next video. If you have got any doubt, you can write it in the comment section. I hope you have understood. Thank you.